Students, how are you? Fine. Okay, I want to take start discussion about matrix inverse method. But before that, I have some questions from you. So, if we will have a matrix, so how to find out its determinant? Yes? By cross multiply the product of the. First of all, we will take the product of the diagonal that is in primary diagonal, and then we will take the product that is in secondary diagonal, and we will take their difference, right? So after that, who will explain about what is the difference between matrix and matrices? Plural. Good. Okay, today I want to take a question from your book, that is 2x minus 2y is equal to 4. And 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. By the method of inverse, we will find out the values of x and y. Okay? So for that purpose, first of all, we need to take a is equal to, what will be in first entry? Yes, 2,
2 minus 2
then
minus 2 plus
then
3
3, then
2
So what is x?
x and y
And what about
4
b?
and 6
4 and 6.
6
Due to the word inverse, we can find out how to find out matrix inverse method. For that, we will use a formula. That is, we know that ax is equal to b, right? Ax is equal to b means this is the product of a and x. Okay? We have two matrices, matrix A and matrix AX. If we will take their product, it will become AX and B is, that is on right hand side. Okay? So we can replace it. We need to find out the value of x and y. So for that purpose, we can take it A inverse A x is equal to A inverse B. Okay, and it will become A inverse and A. The product of inverse and its matrix is equal to identity matrix. Okay, so it will become identity matrix X is equal to A inverse B, and identity matrix multiplied with any other matrix, it will become the same matrix. Okay, that is X. Identity multiplied by X is equal to X, which is equal to A inverse B. So XY is X. Okay, A inverse. The formula of A inverse is, yes?
1 by determinant of A to adjoint of A.
1 by determinant of A into
adjoint of
A into
B.
Okay, so now we will find out the values of determinant and adjoint of A. Determinant of A. Okay, the matrix will become 3 minus 2, 3, 2. If you will find out its determinant, I ask you as first, you will take the product of 3 and 2, that is on primary diagonal. 3 multiplied by 2. The product of 3 and 2, this is 2, minus secondary diagonal is 3 and minus 2. 2 2s are
4
3 2s are
6
your answer is minus 2. Okay, 3 2s are 3 minus 2 plus 6, that is 10. Okay, your answer is
10.
Now you can tell me this is singular matrix or in non-singular matrix. We can continue it.
Yes.
Instead, if I will take the result is equal to 0, it will be singular matrix. So what to do? We can find out the values of x and y, right? In that situation. Okay, so that is why now we have the result of determinant of A. Similarly, adjoint of A. For adjoint, we will replace the entries that is A on primary diagram. Means 2 will come here and 2 will come there. It will become 2 and 2. Similarly, secondary diagonal have 3 and minus 2. We will change the sign of the entries. It will become minus. So I will put it here. Now xy is equal to 1 by 10 and adjoint of A is 2 minus 3 2 and B is 4 6. We will take their product. It will become 2 multiplied by 4, the first entry of the first row, and this is first column. The first entry of the first row multiplied with the first entry of the first column, it will become 4 2s are 8 plus second entry multiplied with second entry, 6 2s are 12. And similarly, minus 3 multiplied with 4 minus 12 plus 6 2s are 12. So it will become 1 by 10. 8 plus 12 is 20 and minus 12 is 0. Okay? This implies that xy is equal to 1 by 10, 20 and 0. It will become 20 divided by 10, 0 divided by 10, which is here x and y. Okay, xy is equal to 20 divided by 10 and 0 divided by 10. It will become xy is equal to 2 and 0. This implies that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. Okay, so the value of x is 2, the value of y is 0. If you want to find out is your answer is correct or not, if you want to check it, so for that purpose you will take the first equation, that is 2x minus 2y is equal to 4. Putting the value of x here, x is 0. Okay, so 2 into 0 minus 2 into x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. 2 2s are 4 minus 0, that is equal to 4. Right hand side have also 4, so it means that your answer is correct. Okay, so once again I want to discuss it. Today we have discussed about matrix inverse method. Matrix inverse method have inverses involved, so that is why its name is matrix inverse method. We have two equations. The first equation is 2x minus 2y is equal to 4. Second equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. This two equations on left hand side, these are the product of two equations. The first is 2 minus 2 3 2 and second one is xy. So that is why we will replace it by a is equal to 2 minus 2 3 2, x is xy and b is 4 6. Okay, so after that we will take the result, that is ax multiplied by b. ax is equal to, sorry, the product of ax is equal to b. So we want to shift this a from left to right hand side. For that purpose we will take the help of its inverse. So taking a inverse on both sides, it will become a inverse and it will become a inverse b. Okay, so a inverse and a means if we will have two matrices, one matrix is the inverse of the other one. In this case we will take identity. Identity matrix is 1 0 0 1. Okay, means we will take the product of A inverse and A. The answer will be identity matrix. And if identity matrix multiply with any other matrix, okay, so then we will take just a matrix, identity matrix and a matrix which is equal to X. That is A inverse B. So the value of capital X is xy. This is a matrix 1 by determinant of A, adjoint of A and B. Okay. Now we need to find out determinant of A and adjoint of A. Determinant of A is equal to 2 minus 2, 3 and 2. The difference between determinant and a matrix is the rectangular area of having rows and columns, and we will have the determinant is a single real number. Okay, we can find out a single real number with the help of determinant. In this case, you will take the product of entries that is on primary diagonal, then you will take the product of the entries that is on second diagonal, then you will take their subtraction, means 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4, then minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 is equal to 6, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. The value of determinant is 10. Now we will find out adjoint of A because we need to find out it. In adjoint, we will change the position of the entries that is on primary diagonal, and we will change the sign of the entries that is on secondary diagonal. So for that purpose, adjoint of A will become, that is A, 2 will be shifted to 2, and minus 2 will become plus 2, and 3 will become minus 3. It was negative, it will become positive. It was positive, it will become negative. Now we have determinant of A, we have adjoint of A, we will put their values, okay. We have a formula is xy is equal to 1 by 10, that is determinant of a matrix, that is adjoint of a matrix, and this one is B. Now we need to find out the product of adjoint and B, okay. So this is first row, this is first column, this one is second row, this one is second column, okay. In first row, the first entry multiply with the first entry of the first column. Similarly, the second entry multiply with the second entry, then we will take their sum. It will become 2 4s are 8 plus 6 2s are 12, and 8 plus 12 is 20. Similarly, 3 4s are 12 minus 12, and 2 6s are plus 12 minus 12 plus 12 will become 0. So 1 divided by 10, 20 divided by 0. It will become 1 divided by 10 will be multiplied with this 20. On multiplication, this 1 multiplied to 20 and 10 will come to its denominator. Similarly, 1 by 10 multiplied to the second entry of this column, it will become 1 multiplied by 0 is 0, 10 divided with, there is 1 here, 0 divided by 1, 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 1, 10 multiplied by 1 is equal to 10. Now 20 divided by 10 is 2, 0 divided by 10 is 0. So two matrices are equal matrices if their corresponding entries are equal, okay. This matrix is x divided by y, this is column matrix, this one is also column matrix, so the first entry of this column is x, first entry of this column is 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. Now we have x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. Now if you will have a doubt in your mind, is your answer is correct or not, for that purpose you can check it. 2x minus 2y is equal to 4. You will put the values of x and y here. X is 2, y is 0, 2 2s are 4, minus 2 zeros are 0. This one is 4, left hand side have 4, right hand side have 4. It means that your answer is correct. Okay?
Yes.
So any question from your side you can ask me please. Nothing else?
No.
Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me what is matrix inverse method? Why we are saying that matrix inverse method? Due to the word inverse, so that is why due to this formula we can say that matrix inverse method. Okay. So another thing, if you will have the product of adjoint of A and determinant of A. Sorry, the adjoint of A and B. How to take the product? How to take the product of a matrix with, yes, by multiplying this matrix to the other one. After that we will take the scalar multiplication. This multiplication is Scalar
Scalar
multiplication. 1 divided by 10 multiply with the entries of a matrix. This is scalar multiplication, due to which we will find out its value. Okay?
Yes.